Hey guys, sucking on a knife monkey. What's happening? So I got a few things in today. Couple. This is like suede almost on the back. So this is a Latama Victorian. I've had it for some while. Mr. Fred. I got it from Fred's Lug. I got these. Also, I got these off of Whatnot. I purchased them. You can buy three at one time. I bought them three at one time, $15. Not bad. It's easy to throw in your pocket. This Latama Victorian has been absolutely amazing. But I watch what I cut with it. It's not like I cut just anything with it. It's just amazing. It's been a great knife. Very sharp. M390 steel. Titanium scales, titanium spacer, titanium clip. I love the clip with the ball in it. The clip with the ball in it. I love the clip with the ball in it. Been a great knife. Absolutely enjoy it. Another knife that I picked up, more along the traditional style. This 1980 Queen. I gotta do some sanding on the blades to get those marks out, but won't be no problem at that. 1980 Queen jackknife. There's only one issue with the scale. Right there is the only issue, and I absolutely love this thing. Listen to that snap. There's my lighter, my Zippo I've been carrying. That's my carry today. I carried the orange one, the Latama Victorian, my Queen 1980, and my Zippo. That's my carry today. Y'all need to check out Latama Victorian. Very sweet knives. Smooth action. Button lock. It's just as smooth as it can be. It says Latama Victorian right there. Very smooth. And it's almost a traditional style. Like a Barlow. Large Barlow. But it's got the modern look to it. Very smooth. Very smooth. Guys, Thank you so much for watching. Leave comments what you think about my video. Have a great day.